Hi, we are here with another video which is about money plant. In this video, we are going to share with you money plant decorating ideas and also will share with you the information about how to take care of money plant. Those who love plants and have a knack for gardening or keeping a few plants in their spaces surely understand the importance of a money plant. For all native plant lovers and gardening lovers, in this video we are going to describe that how to take care of a money plant. Money plant is one of the easy growing plants and it has many beliefs related to it. A money plant has large heart shaped leaves with a leathery and shiny surface, purifying air, reducing stress and anxiety, bringing prosperity and good luck, spreading positivity and mending broken relationships are the few benefits that come to a person's life along with the money plant. It is one such low maintenance plant. So here are a few tips regarding money plant take care. First, about soil. Money plants prefer well-drained soil. You can choose potting soil having high fertilizer content, or you can grow your plant well in a mixture of river sand and normal potting soil. And for this, you can also watch a video related making well-drained soil. Second thing which we need to keep in mind is the water. To take care of money plant in water terms, you don't need to bother much. Watering needs for any plant depends on the seasons throughout the year. In the summer season, you can water your money plant once every 7 days to 10 days. During the winter season, you can spray water on leaves and water the plants well once every 2 weeks. Next point is about sunlight. To take care of money plants indoors, sunlight requirement is sure to be taken care of. For attaining a good growth of your money plant, try keeping it in partially sunny and partially shady areas. Even though a money plant prefers low light conditions, it can still survive in high temperatures, but one must make sure that it doesn't get in contact with scorching sun rays as it will burn the leaves. Another point which is about fertilizer. At first thought, you will not need any fertilizer if you take care of the soil, water and sunlight provided to the money plant. You should feed fertilizer to a plant while watering, and doing that once a month is enough. Avoid fertilizing the money plant in the winter season. The most important thing to remember is that you should only feed the fertilizer in the evening. Know that many people keep the money plant in water only for home decoration purpose. Here is how to take care of money plant in water. For the proper growth of the plant, keep at least one node below the water level. For the proper growth of the plant, keep at least one node below the water level. Keep the plant in an area where it can receive sunlight during the day. Changing the water every week or every 3 days without fail is a must-do thing. Changing the water every week or every 3 days without fail is a must-do thing. Do not let the water level go down beyond the end of the node. The plant doesn't require fertilizer if its growth grown in water. Keeping a money plant indoor is a good move to improve the atmosphere of your home and office spaces. So, at the end of this video, as usual, we would like to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.